Welcome to LKRR CBSE English School. So dear student, we know that we have already started chapter chemical reaction and equation. So in this chapter, we already completed that is the concept balancing chemical reaction, chemical equation. Okay. So today we will study that is the types of chemical reaction. This type of chemical reaction is also very important part related to actually chemistry. Now, dear student, in this chapter, we have to study mainly 5 types of chemical reaction. This 5 type of chemical reaction is very easy that we will study one by one chemical reaction. How much reaction? How much type of chemical reaction? 5 types. One type of chemical reaction is called as the combination reaction. What is the first type? It is called as the combination reaction. After that, we are in the second one type of chemical reaction. It is called as the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Then third one type of reaction, it is called as the displacement reaction. What is the third one? Displacement reaction. Then fourth one type of chemical reaction, it is the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. And fifth one type of chemical reaction, it is called as the oxidation and reduction. So these are the 5 type of chemical reaction. How much type of chemical reactions done? There are the 5 types of chemical reaction. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction. Now, dear student, we will study that is the one by one type of chemical reaction. Out of this 5 chemical reaction, that is the first type of chemical reaction, it is called as the combination reaction. Now firstly, we will study definition of the combination reaction. What we have to study? That is the first one, definition of combination reaction. So definition is very easy. When 2 or more reactant combine to form single substance or single product is called combination reaction. Is called combination reaction. This is the simple one definition of the combination reaction. Actually, in chemical reaction, you already know that actually reactant part. You again know that is the product part of the chemical reaction. Actually, how much reactant combine? When 2 or more reactant combine, and after combining these 2 or more reactants, that is only one single product is formed. How much product is formed? Only one single product is formed. Then it is called as the combination reaction. Dear student, we are having the so many example of this related to the combination reaction. Out of this, I will take that is the first one example, that is the take one test tube. In that test tube, taking that is the hydrochloric acid in it and deep glass rod in it. After that, another gas is also we will take, that is the ammonia gas. Now combine these two gases, hydrochloric acid and this ammonia combine. After combining these two gases, that is only one single product is formed, that we will represent here. What we have to take? That is the NH3. It is the ammonia gas. Is that clear? It is the reactant. Again, that is the hydrochloric acid. It is also, in which state it is hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. It is also in a gaseous state. Now, when these two reactants, these are the two reactants, one is the ammonia is the reactant also, hydrochloric acid it is also the part of the reactant. As per definition, two reactants combine, and after combining these two reactants, that is the chemical reaction takes place. We know that actually when hydrochloric acid is react with the other substance, then that is the breaking of hydrochloric acid is formed. It is broken into two parts. One is the H positive, second one is the Cl negative. You know that ionization takes place of this hydrochloric acid. One hydrogen atom combined with this NH3, then it is NH4, and remaining Cl, that is the ammonium chloride is formed. Firstly, this ammonium chloride it is in the gaseous state, but by the condensation reaction, by which reaction student? By condensation reaction, it is immediately, means it is very quickly converted into the solid state, and it form, that is ammonium chloride is formed. Which chloride is formed? Ammonium chloride salt it is formed. This is the simple reaction. Understand this reaction? So why it is the combination reaction? You know that reason why it is combination reaction. Because in this reaction, that the two reactants combine and only one single product is formed. That's why this is the combination reaction. We know that. This is the first example. After this example, that is we are having the also second one example. Formation of carbon dioxide, CO2. So, formation of CO2. For this, we will simply take, that is the one is carbon. It is present in the solid state. Plus, that is the O2 with the O2 gas. Two reactor is there. And when these two reactors, it is simply combined at this condition, it forms carbon dioxide gas. Which gas is formed? Carbon dioxide. It is valence reaction. It is also the combination reaction because the two reactants combine and only one single product is formed. That's why this is again one of the combination reaction. Now, we are having number of reaction, number of combination reaction related to this. So, student, in our syllabus, that is the we have given one activity. So we will study one activity based on the combination reaction. And so we know that when we have to study the activity, number of question, it is always us, or it is always us related to the activity. Activity based question always us in the CBSE as well as in state board exam. Now we have to study, that is the combination reaction between calcium oxide and water. Our aim to study combination reaction between that is the calcium oxide. It is simply called as the quicklime, and H2O, it is the water. Second one, that is the requirement for this reaction. Requirements, it's very simple. One beaker is required. Okay. Then chemicals like calcium oxide, H2O. Okay. So these are the requirements. After that is the procedure. So student, I will explain this activity by performing one simple experiment. That is to study combination reaction. Now I will take, that is the water, and second one is the calcium oxide. Here in this beaker, that is the water is present. It is actually look like beaker, not exactly, because we are not staying in home, that's why. In this beaker, that is water is present, and here that is the calcium oxide. So student, we will perform this activity simply. Take a water in a beaker and add, that is the some amount of calcium oxide in the beaker. Then we will observe what happened in this reaction. Now that is the actually when a reaction is take place between water and calcium oxide, then that is the combination reaction take place. In this reaction, that is the calcium hydroxide is formed, and when I touch this beaker, then it get, that is the heated. Okay, it become now hot. So this type of chemical reaction is take place. That is combination between calcium oxide and water. This is the simple procedure. After this procedure, that is the observation. What we observe in this reaction, that is the combination is take place between calcium oxide. You already studied that calcium oxide, it is present in the solid state. Is that clear? You already know that H2O, it is the water, it is present in the liquid state. Now when calcium oxide it is react with the water H2O, In this reaction, that is the hissing sound is also produced. Again, heat is released. Heat is evolved. It is evolved in this chemical reaction. So, then it forms CaOH twice, calcium hydroxide. And this calcium hydroxide is in the aqueous form. AQ symbol is used. This heat here we can use, or heat is released, that's why heat actually represented here. Okay, that is the only single product is formed. Means when calcium oxide is react with the water, then it forms the calcium hydroxide is formed. What it formed? Calcium hydroxide is formed and heat is released. It is evolved. That's why this is also the exothermic reaction. What is this reaction? Exothermic reaction. This is the observation and chemical reaction. And last, that is the conclusion. What is our conclusion? In this reaction, that is the reaction between calcium oxide and water, heat is released. That's why it is exothermic reaction. Which reaction it is? Exothermic reaction. Second one, the reaction between calcium oxide and water, it is the two reactant combines together, then it forms the only single product. That's why it is the combination reaction. It is which reaction? Combination reaction. Like this, you can simply study that is the activity related to the combination reaction. Thank you, student.